Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur area on October 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Sanur area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we will explore Sanur area on 17 October 2021. Okay guys, now we are in Danau Toba Street. So this is the situation at the moment in Danau Toba Street. You see right side, left side, there is some shop is already open. That's good. And also on the street there is a lot of motorbike and car drive around in this area. In this area actually very famous because just nearby the beach. And also in this area there is a lot of hotels, restaurant and art shop. Right side there is traditional market. Okay, now we continue driving and we will explore Danau Tamblingan Street. This Danau Tamblingan Street is very famous for the tourists because in this area there is a lot hotel and big hotel connecting by the beach. You see left side, there is a lot of shop is already open. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. Now we continue driving on Danau Tamblingan Street. Oh, you see there's lots of motorbike drive around on this area and some tourists driving on motorbike. That is good. Actually, I'm gonna say Sanur is very famous for European because there is a lot European stay in this area. And Sanur is only around half an hour driving from the airport or around 20-minute driving by the toll road. It's not so far away. And also Sanur is very famous because there is a sunrise beach. I mean like in the morning you can see the sunrise from this beach. And also in Sanur they have harbor to go to Nusa Penida and Nusa Lembongan. So that's why Sanur is very famous. Okay guys, back to the main street. You see in this area it looks very quiet, isn't it? Just not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. You see left side? There is one hotel we call Raspati. Oh, some car parking there. This hotel connecting by the beach. You see left side? Also hotels. And also gazebo hotel. You see left side? One car parking there. Yes, I'm gonna say along the way left side there is a lot of big hotel and they are connecting by the beach. Another hotel left side, there's car coming in. That is good. Actually, I'm gonna say the situation at the moment in Sanur area still not so much different as last month. Still a bit quiet. You see left side, there is a restaurant, but they close. And beside the restaurant, there is Starbucks, but Starbucks is open. You see the front left side, the sign, there is also the big hotel we call Santrian Hotel. It's very big and connecting by the beach. You see this area, there is some car parking, that's good. And usually before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because in this area there is a lot hotel and restaurant, also the shop. But you see today there is not so many people walk around on the sidewalk. The sidewalk look like empty today. Okay, there is the taxi parking right side. This is good sign for Bali. And also left side there is hotel and some car parking there. As we know together, in this month on 14th of October, our flight for international is already open. But this is still very quiet because there is not much international tourism come to Bali yet. So we hope together Bali step by step will be getting better. Because I read from the news there is more than 20,000 people, tourism from other country, they are already booking to come to Bali. I am really happy to read this news. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area and want to know the update station in Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell notification because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. You see in the right side, there is a lot of car parking. I've seen some customers there. And at the front left side, there is village temple, and today they have ceremony on this village temple. You see villa left side? This villa we call Maya Villa Sanur. Yeah, that's very big, isn't it? Right side, there is a lot of car parking and motorbike, and usually in this area there is a lot of taxi parking. They're waiting for customer because in this area there is a lot of big trees and they take a shade under the tree. Big hotel left side, there is Hyatt Regency and some taxi parking at the front right side. You see that? Yeah. That's very good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur area during the pandemic corona on October 2021. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.